Hello everyone, a very fresh good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? So students, today we are going to start the second part of the worksheet of the chapter number 8, circulatory system and excretory system. Okay, so let's start. That question on the page number 3, question number 2. Draw and label excretory system. Draw and label excretory system. So students, in the textbook on the page number 19, you have given the excretory systems diagram that you have to draw here and label the parts of the organ. Okay, so here in the space given you have to draw the diagram of excretory system which is given on the page number 19 in textbook. Okay, fine. So let's move on to the day 4. Question number 1. Answer the following question. In that question number 1, what is circulatory system? What is circulatory system? Answer is, circulatory system is an organ system that helps to transport substances inside our body. Circulatory system is an organ system that helps to transport substance inside our body. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम एक ऐसी ऑर्गन सिस्टम है स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारी बॉडी में सब्सटेंसेस को ट्रांसपोर्ट करती है. दिस इज द वर्क एंड द फंक्शन ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. Circulatory system is an organ system that help to transport substances inside our body. Then question number 2. What is excretory system? What is excretory system? Answer is, excretory system is an organ system that helps to get rid of waste from inside our body. Excretory system is an organ system that helps to get rid of waste from inside our body. एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम एक ऐसी ऑर्गन सिस्टम है जो हमारी बॉडी में जितना भी वेस्ट है उनको रिमूव करने में हेल्प करती है. सो excretory system is an organ system that help to get rid of waste from inside our body. Then question number 3. What is excretion? What is excretion? So the answer is, the process by which waste get removed from our body is called excretion. The process by which the waste get removed from our body is called excretion. एक ऐसी प्रोसेस जहाँ पे हमारी बॉडी में जितना भी वेस्ट है वो रिमूव होता है तो उस प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं excretion. Right? Now students, turn the page. Day 5, question bank. Question number 1, short question answers. That first question, name the types of blood vessels. Name the types of blood vessels. So students, blood vessels are the parts of the circulatory system, right? So the circulatory system consists what? Circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. So here the question is, name the types of blood vessels. Now that blood vessels has the 3 main types, and they are arteries, veins and capillaries are types of blood vessels. Arteries, veins and capillaries are the types of blood vessels. Then the question number 2, name the organ of the circulatory system. Name the organ of the circulatory system. अब circulatory system में कौन कौन से organ होते हैं students? Because you all know that when group of organs, right, when group of organs comes together they form an organ system. So we have to write down the name that circulatory system consists. So the answer is heart, blood and blood vessels are the organs of circulatory system. Heart, blood and blood vessels are the organs of the circulatory system. So the circulatory system consists what students? Heart, blood and blood vessels. Then question number 2, long question answers. Question number 1, Write a short note on different organ of the circulatory system. Write a short note on different organs of the circulatory system. हमें circulatory system के जो organs है उनके बारे में हमें note लिखना है, short note. Write a short note on different organs of the circulatory system. Now circulatory system consists what? Circulatory system consists heart, blood and blood vessels. So the answer is the circulatory system is an organ system that help to transport substances. Circulatory system is an organ system that help to transport substances. So students, यहाँ पे circulatory system जो है उसका work क्या है? What is the function of circulatory system? So the circulatory system is an organ system that help to transport substances. तो circulatory system का work ये है कि substances जो है उनको हमारी पूरी body में वो transport करते हैं. That is the work of the circulatory system. Now blood is a fluid. Blood is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels. Blood is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels. It transport important nutrients, right? Blood is a fluid. Blood क्या है students? Blood is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels. Blood जो है हमारा वो fluid है जो blood vessels के through हमारे पूरी body parts तक पहुँचता है. Now blood transport. Blood also transport the substances, right? So blood transport what? Blood transports important nutrients, water and oxygen to all parts of our body. Then heart. So heart is a muscular organ, right? And heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Blood vessels are thin tubes to transport blood. So here we have three organs in the circulatory system. They are blood, blood vessels and heart. So the circulatory system is an organ system that help to transport substances. Blood is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels and it transports important nutrients. Heart. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. And blood vessels. So the blood vessels are thin tubes to transport blood. Right? Here we have the different organs in the circulatory system that doing the different kinds of work for our body. Then the last question, question number 2. Describe the various organs of the excretory system. Describe the various organs of the excretory system. The answer is the excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a urinary bladder, a pair of tubes called ureters and a urethra. The formation of urine takes place inside the kidneys. So students, excretory system consists what kind of organs? So the excretory system consists of pair of kidneys. Excretory system में दो kidneys होती हैं, right? A pair of kidneys. Then urinary bladder, a pair of tubes called ureters. A pair of tubes. Tube टाइप का होता है, 2 ट्यूब्स होती है, राइट? उन ट्यूब्स को हम कहते हैं यूरेटर्स एंड अ यूरेथ्रा. So the excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a urinary bladder, a pair of tubes called ureters and a urethra. The formation of urine take place inside the kidneys. यूरिन जो है स्टूडेंट्स, क्योंकि एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम का वर्क यही है, फंक्शन यही है कि वो हमारी बॉडी में जितना भी वेस्ट है वो उनको रिमूव करता है, राइट? द फंक्शन ऑफ द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम टू रिमूव द वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. नाउ it remove the waste from our body in the form of urine or excretion. Okay, it get remove the waste from our body in the form of urine. So this urine take place inside the kidneys. The formation of urine, right? Urine जो है वो कहाँ बनता है? किडनी में हमारा यूरिन जो है वो फॉर्म होता है, मतलब हमारी बॉडी में जितना भी वेस्ट होता है, वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेस और वॉट एवर द वेस्ट वी हैव इन अवर बॉडी, दैट कन्वर्ट इनटू द यूरिन, and through the urine the waste inside our body get removed. So the excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a urinary bladder, a pair of tubes called ureters and a urethra. The formation of urine take place inside the kidneys. So here students, our chapter number 8, circulatory system and excretory systems, is over here. So if you have any query, any doubts regarding whole chapter, regarding any topic in this chapter, so you can drop a message, right, or you can ask me in the online classes, so I will solve your doubt. Then second thing is your homework. So students, your homework for a day is you have to complete all this exercise all the question answers in worksheet. Fine. And also you have to draw and label the excretory system over here, right? Okay then. Fine students, thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.